Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Saeed Atif Ali and right now I'm in Istanbul, Turkey, Fatih area near Aksaray metro station. And it's 11th of November 2021. Right now I'm just heading towards Trabzon. From Istanbul to Trabzon it's going to be 1300 kilometers away from here. So I have got the tour, a complete tour for 4 days. So I'm just going to give you a virtual tour. But before I take you for a virtual tour, I'm gonna show you a map view of it. So we leave from Istanbul and we'll go through a lot of cities in Turkey, and then we will also just go along with a very big coastal that is a Black Sea with Ordu and Central, and then finally we will reach at the Trabzon. Then we'll also cover the nearby cities of Rize, Ordu and Aider. अस्सलामुअलैकुम। तो भाई किस्सा तमाम ये है कि वी हैव गिवन आवर सेकंड स्टे while traveling to Trabzon, and that is a bus, private bus, you can see over there, and you can see my friend Arsalan as well. तो एक्सप्रेसो कॉफ़ी ऑर्डर करी और मिली भी बड़ी महंगी, और तो उसको ऑर्डर करने के बाद और चखने के बाद अंदाज़ा हुआ कि भाई गलत ऑर्डर कर दिया। अब महंगी भी मिली है तो मैं तो फेंक नहीं सकता, मैं तो उसको पेट में ही डालूँगा और उसके बाद ही इसका पूरे पैसे वसूल होंगे मेरे। लेकिन जो मेरे दोस्त अरसलान हैं उनसे तो उन्होंने बोला मुझे तो वोमिटिंग हो रही है आतिफ, मैं नहीं पी सकता। मैंने कहा भाई वो रहा डस्टबिन और फेंक दे। मैंने कहा मेरे लिए निकाल दो आप बिस्किट, और मैं बिस्किट के साथ खाऊँगा, लेकिन मैं इसको छोड़ूंगा नहीं। है जो मुझे इतनी महंगी कॉफ़ी मिली है ना इधर, उसको मैं देखूँगा कि पेट में जाने के बाद होता क्या। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हम अभी अनादोलू पार्क ट्रैबज़ॉन के ऑन द वे के अंदर एक स्टे किया है, एंड इट्स फजर्स टाइम ऑलमोस्ट 6:30 and 6 o'clock. It's quite cold here. It's a freezing cold here almost, and the bad luck was पानी भी ठंडा निकला, बड़ा काफ़ी ठंडा निकला जो ऑफर एब्यूशन वज़ू करने के लिए। Anyways, alhamdulillah, all done, all set. We have been traveling for more than 8 hours, 8.5 hours, because we left Istanbul at 9 o'clock. It took almost 1 hour to leave the city of Istanbul, as it is quite crowded. So we have been traveling for more than 8.5 hours. Let's see when we reach in Trabzon, as it is quite far. Still it is quite far. It will take almost 6 hours more to be there, but it's freezing cold. But Allah Almighty has given us so much strength to come out of the bus, as bus is fully heated, and it's quite comfortable environment. As you can see that smoke is coming out of my mouth, and everywhere it's foggy weather, and I don't think so that they will be able to drive anymore just until we have sun. So till then, see you. I have reached in Trabzon, and it's 12th of November after almost 18 hours or 16 to 18 hours journey on the bus, on tour guide bus. So it was a good journey. We gave a lot of stays, and finally I have just checked in my hotel, but not feeling too much tired as Assalamu alaikum guys, so this is Sayyid Atif Ali, and today is our second day of that in Trabzon, and the tour of Trabzon is going on wonderfully. Alhamdulillah, last night that as I shown you my vlog about the highest place of Trabzon, though it was quite dark and I could not make it successful, but Alhamdulillah we enjoyed a lot the feelings and the environment that we felt. It was quite good. Right now just I'm going to have a very first breakfast in my hotel. The hotel is wonderful, the finest one, and a very 4-star or 5-star hotel that it is in Trabzon. And today we are going to visit Uzungol, and it is one of the famous touristic point in Trabzon. And I have just looked at the pictures in Google. It's awesome. So let's see that if the pictures that I can see in Google and the same picture, the same scenery, the same you can say that wonderful scene I can see over there as well, inshallah. So now I'm going to just enjoy my breakfast and will show you that what they are giving in buffet.
You're on a plane to Tokyo, to LA and to places I don't know. And every time you're leaving home, I hate it but I know it's not for long. When you travel down the coast, when you look across the shore, when you hear the ocean roar, I'm waiting for your call. When you make it to the island, sand beneath your feet, when I look at the horizon, well, you think of me. You are a traveler. You are a traveler. You know that I love you when I let you go. You know that I love you when I let you go.
Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Sayyid Atif Ali, and it's the second day of Trabzon tour, and it's 13th of November 2021. Right now I'm in Trabzon, but a bit far from Trabzon, and this is called Uzungol. One of the beautiful, one of the attractive sightseeing in Trabzon. Whoever comes and pays visit to Trabzon, that they come here to feel this wonderful spectacle So we have come along with our tours, and we have a lot of people together, and we have been enjoying here, but it's almost freezing cold, and you can see that mountains are covered with snow, and it's wonderful to be here, but very difficult to bear as living in the Asian continent, and when you come in this continent, so it gives you a lot of goosebumps. So now after this Uzungol tour, we are going back to our hotel. It will take almost 2 hours to go back to our hotels, to reach at our hotel, and it's around 1 or 2 o'clock right now. I'm not looking at the time that a lot of times while traveling and while touring. तो अभी जो इस टाइम 13 नवंबर और दूसरा दिन है ट्रैबज़ोन के टूर का, तो आज शाम में अख्तिताम होगा, कल का हमारा नया दिन शुरू होगा, और कल के दिन फिर क्या करते हैं वो कल की एक्टिविटीज़ आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे डे 3 की, और फिर डे 4 मॉर्निंग पे हम अपना अंकारा की तरफ रवाना हो जाएंगे। ये टूर तो हमारा ऑलमोस्ट इस्तांबुल की तरफ रवाना होगा दोबारा, लेकिन
Thank you.